sometimes in this life, it's too easy to focus solely on where we're at in this life and not where we're going to be. When the trials and tribulations, they weigh us down, we often forget that things can get better. We forget that things will get better. The weight on our shoulder can easily become the focus, and we'll easily lose sight of what's ahead. We can lose sight of what's most important to us. But in every storm, there is hope. It is the heavy rains that provides the lush green grass. For me in my life, I've noticed how my storms have been for my own good. They taught me not to lean upon my own understanding, but to seek out God and Christ in every thought. This made all the difference in my life, and I know it can be the key to answering your storms as well. Don't lean upon yourself. Lean upon the firm foundation that, if built upon, will stand the test of time, will ultimately lead to everlasting life. Will lead to everlasting life.